Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see about how to separate or extract the particular integer elements from the heterogeneous list. Heterogeneous list is the uh, combination of the all the data types like integer, float, character and boolean type, etc. Okay, so if you want to separate the or extract the some particular integer element from the heterogeneous list, that's the way we are going to see in this video. Okay friends, let's move on to the video. I'm taking the list lst equal to, it's a combination of integers, characters and string. I'm going to apply the true, then 78, 90, 45, false in Python, okay. Then I want to store the integer element into the particular place, so I'm just taking one empty list, int list, int lst equal to empty list. Okay, then I want to search each and every element in this list. I want to search this element is integer or this one is integer. I want to search all the elements inside the list as an integer. So for I in range of, that means I want to search all the elements. Okay, range of means I want to, the range of function displays the how many elements present inside the list. So I want to perform this, I want to search every elements in the list. So I am going to apply this range of function. Then it starts from 0, then length of lst, that means up to that length I should search, I should continue this for loop. Then if string of lst of I, if lst of I is converted into string, then I am going to check, because I want to display the integer elements only. So by using to perform that, I am applying this is digit of function. It checks, it will returns true if all the characters in the string are digits. Okay, the string converted into string, and it will searches and it will checks it return if the element or all the characters in the string are digits. If it is digits, it will return true, otherwise it's false. Okay, then if it is true, I want to add that element into this empty list. Okay, if the element is, if the I is integer, so I want to add this element inside this empty list. Int list dot, by using append of function used to add the elements inside the list. So lst of I, if the element is integer, I want to add this list of I element inside the empty list, int list. Okay, then I am going to print integer elements from the list is print the list. Okay, it will check through up to the range of the list. It will check the condition. It will continues this loop until the range of this list. Okay, then I am going to save, and I am just run the program. See, the integer elements from the list is 10, 78, 90, 45, 98 and 32. Okay, 10, 78, 90, 45, 98 and 32. Okay, this is the way we will display the integer elements from the list. By like this way we can also we can also separate the Boolean data type and in string characters and float characters and complex characters also from the list. Okay, we can extract this kind of string elements from the list, and true Boolean data types from the list also we can perform by using this kind of operation. But the small thing is we have to change this little operations only. Little bit changes will be there. By applying that we can extract the string and Boolean and complex data type also we can able to extract from the list. This is a very important thing in interviews, friends. Those who are looking for the Python developer jobs, these are the very important concepts, and several times it is asked in the interviews also. So be prepared for this. Just go through one more time. Okay friends, that's it today. If you have any doubt, just leave a comment in the comment box. If you like this video, just hit the like button. If you are not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon also. Okay friends, thank you.